Hey guys, what's going on? What's going on? It's a beautiful sunny day in Trinidad and Tobago. My name is Wesley Superville, and I'm proud to represent CTS College, the #1 school for education and tutelage in the entire country. Well, I'm here to introduce you guys to a new course that the college is offering. It's called Procurement Fraud. Did you know that procurement accounts for up to 70% of an organization's revenue? Yes, 70% of the money coming into the organization, to the company, to the institution is accounted for by procurement. Now, that is a very attractive prospect for persons who have unethical intent, conduct, and behavior. Now, procurement fraud makes up a large portion of corruption, right? And if you did not know, corruption hurts you, it hurts your family, it hurts your community, it hurts your organization, and it hurts your country, right? And I know that we will all want good for the future generations to come. And this is why I would like you guys to join me in our info session this Thursday on the 23rd of March at 6:30 p.m. All right, the link is in the chat below. You could just click on the link to register for a free info session. I'll walk you guys through a little bit about procurement, and I'll give you the little impacts of procurement fraud. And if you want to, there is the registration to actually do the course. All right, guys, and we're offering discounts to SIPS, CTS registered SIPS students and for persons who attend the info session. All right, guys, I'll see you there and do have a wonderful day. Later.